TikTok star Hareem Shah is now again in the news. Now, Hareem Shah has shared a video of a meeting with the Muttahida Qaumi Movement founder Altaf Hussain in London. Hareem has been sharing posts on social media in the first week of February 2022 from London these days. In her latest video posts on her Instagram, Hareem is meeting MQM founder Altaf Hussain outside a court in London. In the video, Altaf Hussain is wishing Hareem happiness and a prosperous future. Let's watch the video about the meeting. For current affair updates, subscribe Globbal TV.
मेरी दुआ है अल्लाह आपको हर मसले में अल्लाह खुश रखे और हर मुश्किल मुसीबत परेशानी से बचाए और अल्लाह मुस्तकबिल आपका मे गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड मे गॉड गिव यू prosperous future. Thank you.
चलो अल्ताफ भाई को जगह दे।
Chill out, man. What you gotta do? Chill out. Yeah, but chill out.